so many questions. Why did this battery have to come from Holland? Who needs 4 mini indicators and 2 red ones? And what's with this pile of pizza boxes? All will be revealed. I needed it to have as small a, well in this case, a width as possible. It also needed to be a gel battery because unlike normal lead acid batteries, a gel battery can be mounted at 90 degrees, which means that very shallow width becomes a very shallow depth. And finally, this was the trickiest one to get. It has to be a particularly powerful battery, what's called CCA or cold cranking amps, in order to turn over the big single cylinder of the Pegaso. You need a fair bit of heft available immediately from the battery. So these pizza boxes are to make a prototype. I've designed a under tray to go under the bike seat to cover the air filters and to hold the battery. And this is it printed out on a ridiculously large piece of paper. A ridiculous selection of indicators. Now, these are fine, these are good. I thought I'd just be able to fit these at the front of the bike and it'll all be hunky-dory. But actually, I need hand guards, I need brush guards anyway, because the ones that are on the bike are just had like big bits of Tupperware. For some useful eBay person that was selling these for £9. So, the battery will sit here. It's pretty hefty though. That's, yeah, there's a good kilo or 2 in that. This is why prototyping is so important. Now, this worked great, but it gave me a chance to have a look at it, gave me a chance to see what it was like in place. And yeah, I just didn't like it. And then I ran a quick stress analysis on it and realized that this is a big, flat, unsupported area. So here we have it. Prototype number 2. Who knows, I might even be able to put the battery in it. 4.5 kilos, by the way. That's how much the battery weighs. Phew, ridiculous. I went to the bother of actually cutting the brace out, sorting out the brace. Mostly to get the angles at the side, because, yeah, was it 75 degrees? I don't know what 75 degrees is. So by cutting that out, it allows me to get it absolutely spot on. But I'll tell you what, once that's in there, that's reasonably sturdy. That's not bad, actually. So here we are with it in place. The battery fits in quite nicely. It's not too the sloping at the sides isn't particularly noticeable, but the way that it seems much more tucked under the rails is much better. Yeah, still ugly. Quite like it though. Once I get the screen on and the clock's on, that'll fill this area in a little bit. Radiator on underneath here with a cover over it, guard underneath. Still got these scrutums hanging down either side. Underneath, okay, it's not bad. Got this line here, which this is picking up. This just looks a little bit weird. Don't actually know what that is. Yeah, okay, well, you know. God, wouldn't it be nice to be able to bring this back to here? No chance, unfortunately. So, this is me just in from work. Day 3. Third design. Version 3. Can you see the difference? I think you'll be able to when this is on the bike. With the last under tray, I really wasn't happy with the lines it was making, but there didn't seem to be much I could do. So I've redesigned around a new battery. I think this one is much more sympathetic. The line at the back is catching this line here, so it looks like it fits much better. But there's a more fundamental thing. Previously, I was working on a very high, very sleek under tray. The battery was as flat and as high up between the seat rails as I could get it. But I was thinking about sports bikes, which are sleek and flat and pointy and fast. This isn't a bike like that. This doesn't have lines like that. This is, well, I've kind of got to lean into its fugliness. Till next time, like and share. Appreciate any comments, appreciate all watching. Anything you want to know about it, just give me a shout. And yeah, the adventure continues.